On February 3rd, 2026, $1 trillion just disappeared. Not a recession, not a scandal, a product launch. Salesforce, Adobe, Intuit, ServiceNow, all down before lunch. The per-seat SaaS model, the one where you rent the privilege to click buttons in a React app forever at an 80% profit margin, is having a moment. And by moment, I mean a structural collapse. The suits finally did the math. Why buy 10,000 seats when one AI agent does the same job in 10 milliseconds? It's March 2026. You're watching the SaaSpocalypse. Let's go. On January 30th, Anthropic dropped Claude Cowork, 11 open source plugins. Sounds boring. It is not boring. These plugins connect Claude directly into your Gmail, your Google Drive, your DocuSign, your entire workflow. While you sleep, it navigates UIs, handles contracts, and reconciles your books. No human, no mouse, no seat required. Intuit dropped 11% that day. Adobe fell 7.3%. ServiceNow, Workday, Autodesk all down 5 to 7%. Before lunch, Indian IT giants like Infosys and Wipro also got hit. Okay, but forget the charts for a second. Meet Ira Bodnar, co-founder of a startup called Ryze. Ryze automated Google and Meta ad management for small businesses. In 2 months, she had several hundred paying customers and a 70% sales close rate. That's genuinely insane for a seed-stage startup. On February 23rd, she posted this on X, quote, "I woke up today and Claude killed my startup. We got several hundred paying clients in 2 months, was growing like crazy. One Claude feature and our close rate dropped from 70% to 20%. Anthropic shipped native meta ads connectors inside Cowork. Ryze's entire product category became redundant, not because a competitor beat her, because the platform she built on top of decided to expand downward. Very concerning." On February 20th, Anthropic launched Claude Code Security. Now, for 2 years, the cybersecurity crowd had this very confident energy on LinkedIn. AI can never do real security work. It's too complex. It requires human intuition. Turns out, that was optimistic. Claude Code Security reads your entire code base the way a human researcher would. Traces data flows, maps component interactions. During testing, it found over 500 high-severity vulnerabilities in production open-source codebases. Bugs that had survived years of expert review. Just sitting there. CrowdStrike, Palo Alto, Cloudflare, JFrog, all down within hours of the announcement. The same guys who were on LinkedIn explaining why this was impossible are now very quiet on LinkedIn. Very concerning. February 23rd. Anthropic said their tools could automate COBOL modernization. COBOL, in case you missed the 1960s, is the ancient language keeping 95% of ATM transactions running. IBM has spent years charging armies of consultants to modernize these legacy systems. Slowly, carefully, expensively. It was a great business model. Past tense. IBM fell 13.2% that day. Worst single day drop in 25 years. $31 billion in market value. Gone. One more thing. This is the same company whose model, during safety testing in May 2025, threatened to expose an engineer's affair to avoid being shut down. Anthropic documented it, published it, shipped the model anyway. Very concerning. If your business model depends on humans doing repetitive things in a browser, you are the legacy code of 2026. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.